Hello and welcome back to our channel Art of Decor. Thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Here are some inspiring benefits of exploring trending outdoor living area ideas. Expanded living space. Outdoor living areas provide additional space for relaxation, entertainment, and socializing, effectively extending your home's living space into the outdoors. Connection with nature. Spending time in outdoor living areas allows you to immerse yourself in nature, promoting a sense of tranquility, well-being, and connection with natural world. Enhance socializing. Outdoor living areas create inviting environments for gatherings, barbecues, and parties, fostering memorable moments and meaningful connection with friends and family. Alfresco dining. Enjoyment meals outdoors in beautifully designed living areas adds a special touch to dining expressions, allowing you to serve delicious food while appreciating the beauty of your surroundings. Health and benefits. Spending time outdoor has become linked to numerous health benefits, including reduced stress levels, improved mood, increased vitamin D intake, and enhanced overall well being. Creativity and personalization. Designing and decorating outdoor living area provides an opportunity for creativity and self-expression, allowing you to personalize the space to reflect your unique style, preferences, and interests. Residential value. Well-designed outdoor living areas can significantly enhance the value and appeal of your property, making it more attractive to potential buyers and increasing its resale value. Entertainment opportunities. Outdoor living areas can be equipped with various amenities such as outdoor kitchens, fire pits, seating areas, and entertainment system providing endless opportunities for leisure and entertainments. Social enjoyment. With the right design elements and features, outdoor living areas can be enjoyed year round, allowing you to make the most for every reason and weather condition. Environmental benefit. By incorporating eco-friendly elements such as native plants, sustainable materials, and energy efficient lighting into outdoor living area design, you can minimize your environmental impact and contribute to a healthier planet. Personalized retreat. Outdoor living areas offer a peaceful retreat where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life, unwind, and recharge your batteries in the serene and inviting environment. Enhance aesthetics. Thoughtfully designed outdoor living areas can enhance the overall aesthetic of your property, creating a visually stunning landscape that complement your home architectural and natural surroundings. Educational opportunities. Engaging in outdoor living area projects provides opportunity for learning and skill development in areas such as gardening, landscaping, outdoor designs, and DIY home improvements. Adaptability and flexibility. Outdoor living areas can be designed to accommodate a wide range of activities, preferences, and lifestyle, allowing you to adapt the space to your suit changing needs and preferences over time. Memorable experience. Whether it's watching a sunset, hosting a herb barbecues, or simply enjoy the quiet moments surrounding by nature, outdoor living areas create opportunities for memorable experience that enrich your life and create lasting memories. These benefits highlights the transformative powers of outdoor living areas ideas, inspiring homeowners to create inviting, functional, and beautiful outdoor spaces that enhance their quality of life and provide endless opportunities for enjoyment and relaxation. Thank you so much for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.